How to activate Kohl's credit card online account. To activate your Kohl's credit card online, you may follow up this process. So you can go to the dedicated website for Kohl's card services, which is for Capital One. You can scroll through option and head over this website, which is kohls.capitalone.com directly to access the credit card online account. So you can look out for this option called sign in, or if you do not have an account yet, you can look out for this option called set up my account. But all you gotta do is tap on the sign in option right here, and or you can even open up the Capital One mobile app if you prefer. Now all you gotta do is use your your credentials. So enter up your username and then go ahead and enter up your password. And once you do so, you can provide in details like your card number or potentially your date of birth or social security number for security purchases. And after completing this step, Kohl's credit card will be activated, allowing you to take advantage of its feature, including managing your account and making payments. So this is how you activate your Kohl's credit card account following up these methods. So I hope this information was helpful to you. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.